and threats. And in this particular case, Your Honor, I must be honest enough to specify that I did receive a call from our president asking about the status of the patient, and it responded accordingly.
What did you communicate in response to that inquiry?
For the first time, Your Honor, I just said that we are in the process of doing various tests, and as soon as we have a conclusion, we shall let it known.
Okay.
But if Your Honor, you must allow me to say this, that when I said that, I had to seek clearance from the patient that it was okay so to do, which she gave me permission.
Okay, very well. On my second last question, please refer to paragraph 10 of your affidavit. Paragraph 10 of your affidavit. And annexure DKG4.
Yes, Your Honor.
And tell this honorable court the relevance, if any, of the annexures in relation to your testimony.
You know, Your Honor, during this hospitalization, this hospitalization for reasons that happened that time became a public issue, and there were public notices in newspapers and television services covering the issue.
Okay. Lastly, please refer to paragraph 11 of your affidavit, and in summary, what you'd like this honorable court to understand regarding the first petitioner's admission and treatment.
Your Honor, I have only one statement to make, and that the Honorable Gachagua was admitted to hospital on the date so specified and discharged on the date so specified and treated according to the statutory medical practices.
Thank you very much. That is all, my lord.
Thank you.
Good morning, Dr.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Movomi. I think we know each other.
Lovely. Nice to meet you in these circumstances.
I will ask you a few questions
I'll
on
be pleased to
behalf
answer.
of the respondents
Thank you, sir.
and the second interested party, who is the party I represent in this case. For the record, please confirm that your affidavit is dated 28th of April, the year 2026.
That is correct, Your Honor.
You will agree with me, sir. This affidavit has been made 1.5 years after the events described in it. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
It's correct. Was this affidavit placed before the Senate?
I wouldn't be aware because it didn't exist that time. This request has come now.
The request has come now.
Yes.
You don't believe, sir, it is bizarre that a request of this nature in a case of this nature will be made 1.5 years down the line? Would you agree with me? That's bizarre. It's not natural.
Sir, I don't know the proceedings in court of those issues.
Fair enough. This affidavit has attached some medical records, Exhibit 3. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
That exhibit, was it placed before the Senate?
I wouldn't be aware, sir.
You are not aware. But you will confirm whichever date we take from the multiple dates on it. These are again events that this document was available about 1.5 years ago by the date given this of 17th October, isn't it?
What is this? Yes, that's...
You have to agree this document was available.
Yes.
You also have to agree that with due diligence, this document would have been placed before this honorable court about 1.5 years ago. True or not?
No opinion, sir. I don't know.
No opinion. Fair enough.
Yes.
You have now attempted to explain a discrepancy between paragraph 3 of paragraph 4 of your affidavit. It talks of 3 p.m.
That's correct.
But exhibit 3 at the top right talks of 4:18 p.m.
About an hour difference, yes, sir.
You agree that's a discrepancy on its face? On its face, without more looking at it, is there or is there no discrepancy?
None whatsoever, sir.
Are you saying 4:18 p.m. is the same time as 3 p.m.?
There are different times for different...
There are different times. Therefore, you agree with me, sir.
But could the witness be given the opportunity to complete answers to his questions without being cut short?
Dr. Gikonyo, is it your testimony that the time 3 p.m. given at paragraph 4 of your affidavit is the same time given as 4:18 p.m. in the medical record?
They are different
Good.
occurrences.
They are different times.
Occurrences. They are not the same thing we are describing.
Okay. This explanation you are now offering on the witness doc, is it given anywhere in your affidavit? The explanation for the discrepancy, is it set out anywhere in your affidavit?
It should be understood.
No, the question is it set out anywhere in your affidavit? That explanation you are now offering in court.
Not there because...
It is not there.
It was never raised. I would have given an answer if it was raised.
We are here to raise it, unfortunately.
And we are giving an answer.
Let's stick to that page 104. Dr. Gikonyo, you have to agree with me that we identify individuals in Kenya by reference to their national identity card or passport number. Correct or incorrect?
Depends on the purpose, sir. In my class, they call me DK.
Does this document indicate the identity card of the patient being attended to?